Father. Thank you for all the things that you will do, Jehovah. Holy Spirit, our heart, Maria. We acknowledge without you, we can do nothing, Jehovah. It's your power that we are able to feel the presence of God, Jehovah. Only through your power, Jehovah God, that we can feel your presence tomorrow, Jehovah. So fill us this evening, Jehovah. Anoint our voices, Jehovah. Anoint every song that we will sing to the glory and honor of your name. Thank you for every vessel you have aligned to stand in this pulpit tomorrow, Jehovah. Waandae mahali popote walipo, Jehovah. Anoint them, Jehovah. Anoint the program, anoint the dancers. This is your house.